You know, so I feel like for all of them, I feel like say, whole of the people from mother.
Rory, and I think we know that long time. You think me just see that?
You know, the funniest thing too, true, we are picnic, like, they not go think say we are see what go on.
Rory, me not to watch them, you know. Because they not set no example, like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, look like say we have to take care of them. It's true. Because of the day, I see what man on the internet that goes so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me I show you, man, thief to one mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, I bring you to the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, you know.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know. But what think could I do to help make things better? What think you could do to help them mad people?
Boy, I me think about it rough. I think you have to go to school and learn a book now.
Now, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright, then, come on.
Rory, mommy say not to left out the yard.
I'm not gonna know when my friend them a go over wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Who is calling?
No, the man from come win off him money, man.
What that for? Alright.
Alright, come here, man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
Might you lose back pay money to the attack.
Papa, you have a ball field.
So you do everything now you already?
Yeah, man, me sweep up yard and everything already.
Make sure, you know. I like the gate when you but Wallace, you said no, you call you. You don't call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go over ball girl and I come.
You know, so me can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
Man, you that idiot, brother. Follow me, I go play some football up there somewhere.
Why you me can't come now? I will get beaten if me come. Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here.
Alright, me I got a ball ground, you know, make sure you come in because you tell me say you come, I go pick up on my team. So come a ball ground.
So Don man, how you alone sit down right here so I want to draft you?
Short, you know, say no me one do. And I rest one day I can go things in car and back down with a file. But I know say a ball in can ball over and money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all the money and can ball over it.
Noted. So come at me and play a game now?
I mean one anytime I ready.
I joke me and make me don't even know if to play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that not like no problem, you know. Like you're a fast player now.
So what going differently?
As usual, they are going easy, you know, right, and I'm more to a new woman in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. One good thing you want to do is mess with people, girls pick me. If you get someone away from high school, come fix up a table. Come.
My baby, no play, Anna. Oh no!
I go up on the road, they're playing figure, you know. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call go on in.
No.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. But I true me have to go in.
Yo, you're good, man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, not even did realize the rain fall. Sure, me go in there one of my long time school friend did in there make me never mash up the mission, you know. Sure.
Where's that to me? Me no business about that. A serious mission this you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, let me tell you something if you don't know what I go on. I don't know if you know the brother when named Fire Us. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling go on. But I know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him a one of the top dog them. Me need that the man if it get take out of the picture first. Me tell her say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap. Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive, you know, man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on pan his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go and hold on pan his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go and hold on. Because as me tell you, say, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright, here I go. I make you hold on pan his strap. I need you to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same way, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
So you expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school? Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
Sorry, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited to do this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. You just get the idea, you know. You know what you can do? You can kidnap a youth, you know. You can get the youth and then lure him in instead of probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Mama.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with.
Say Miss Meredith.
But you save him. Yeah, so here what? Why you tell him to protect you, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Juta, come here. Jano.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I didn't want this year, but you see boy fire us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make fire noise, I have to tell fire this. No joke. You see me? Right now, Juta have to protect your son head now. Protect your son head, you understand?
Yo, I can't you. Just come make fire now what go on.
Alright.
Yo, tell me who. Ranjay. Me no business push fire there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know. Alright, my son.
See how this serious.
Serious something this man.
Walk out of here, man.